Meet the top 3 robot vacuums of 2024. These tech-packed vacuums tackle dust bunnies effortlessly. Stay tuned to find your perfect match. All product links are in the description. First up, we've got the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus. This isn't just any ordinary vacuum cleaner. It's a marvel of modern technology. This bad boy isn't just a vacuum, it's a whole cleaning revolution. It's designed to make your life easier and your home cleaner. Imagine this. You're chilling on the couch, scrolling through your feed, and this little dude is whizzing around your house, sucking up dirt like it's going out of style. It's like having a tiny, tireless housekeeper. But wait, there's more. This isn't just about vacuuming. This Roomba doesn't just clean, it cleans up after itself. That's right, it empties its own dustbin. Yeah, you heard me right. No more dealing with dusty bins. The iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus comes with a self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days worth of dirt and debris. That's right, 60 days. Imagine the convenience. You could go on vacation, forget to unpack, go on another vacation, and this thing would still be like, yo, I got this cleaning thing handled. It's like having a reliable friend who never lets you down. It's basically the superhero sidekick of cleanliness, but instead of a cape, it has a supersized dustbin. It's always ready to tackle the mess. But wait, there's even more. This isn't just about brute force cleaning. This Roomba is smarter than your average bear. No offense to any bears watching. It's equipped with advanced technology. It uses smart mapping technology to learn your home's layout and create personalized cleaning routines. It knows where to go and what to avoid. So, if you're the kind of person who likes things done a certain way, no judgment, we all have our quirks, this little guy's got you covered. It adapts to your preferences. It's like having your own personal cleaning crew, but instead of paying them hourly, you just got to make sure they have a power outlet. It's that simple. Oh, and did I mention it's compatible with Alexa? Yes, it listens to your voice commands. Yeah, you can literally tell your vacuum to start cleaning while you're still in your pajamas. How cool is that? It's the ultimate level of laziness, and I am here for it. Embrace the convenience. No more excuses about not having time to clean, because this Roomba is basically like having a time turner for your floors. It saves you precious time. It's the Hermione Granger of the cleaning world, minus the bushy hair and the whole saving the world thing. Although keeping your house clean is kind of like saving your own little world, right? It's a magical experience. But in all seriousness, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus is a total game changer for anyone who wants a cleaner home without lifting a finger. Except maybe to press a button on your phone, but hey, that's what voice assistants are for, right? It's a modern marvel. It's efficient, it's effective, and it basically cleans up after itself like the responsible roommate you always wished you had. It's the epitome of convenience. What more could you ask for? It's got everything you need, maybe a built-in snack dispenser. That would be the cherry on top. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself, but I can dream, right? The future is full of possibilities. Unfortunately, it has some flaws too. Cons: it can be a bit pricey, and the self-emptying base can be noisy. But hey, no one's perfect, right? Overall, the iRobot Roomba Combo M5 Plus is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to make their cleaning routine easier and more efficient. Next up, we've got the eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max. And let me tell you, this little guy is the ninja warrior of the cleaning world. First of all, it's super slim, like seriously thin. We're talking thinner than my patience when my internet's down. This means it can sneak under furniture and into tight spaces that would make other vacuums cry, "Uncle!" Dust bunnies hiding under the couch? Not a chance. This eufy's on the case. But don't let its svelte profile fool you. This vacuum packs a punch. It's got some serious suction power, like it could probably suck the wrinkles out of a raisin. Okay, maybe not that powerful, but you get the idea. It's strong enough to handle everything from pet hair to crumbs to those weird little dust bunnies that seem to multiply under your bed. Seriously, where did they even come from? And the best part? It's whisper quiet. Like you could probably run this thing while you're meditating and not even notice it was there. It's perfect for people who value peace and quiet, or for people who just really, really hate the sound of a vacuum cleaner. I mean, let's be real, nobody actually likes that sound, right? But wait, there's more. The eufy robot vacuum 11S Max is also self-charging, so you don't have to babysit it while it cleans. It's like that one friend who always remembers to plug their phone in before it dies, but instead of a phone, it's a vacuum cleaner, and instead of a charger, it's a docking station. You get the idea. It's basically the independent, low-maintenance friend of the cleaning world. And speaking of low maintenance, this eufy is also super easy to use. It's got a simple one-button design, so even your grandma could figure it out. No offense to your grandma, I'm sure she's very tech-savvy. It's basically the plug-and-play of the robot vacuum world. So whether you're a busy bee with no time for cleaning, or you just want a vacuum that can do its thing without disturbing your zen, the eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max is definitely worth checking out. It's the strong, silent type of the cleaning world, and it's here to make your floors sparkle without all the drama. Unfortunately, it might make some problems as well. It might struggle with very thick carpets, and it doesn't have advanced mapping features like some higher-end models. This next one is not just about cleaning power, but also about smart navigation and efficiency. Stay tuned to see how it stacks up against the eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for those who need a reliable, quiet, and efficient cleaning companion. And last but not least, we've got the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, and this one's for all my tech-savvy peeps out there. If you love gadgets and smart home devices, you're going to adore this vacuum. This vacuum is so smart, it's basically got a PhD in cleaning. Imagine a vacuum that not only cleans, but does so with the intelligence of a seasoned expert. First of all, it's got voice control. That's right. You can control it just by speaking to it. Yeah, you heard me right. No more bending down or fiddling with buttons. You can literally tell this vacuum what to do, and it will obey your every command. It's like having a conversation with your cleaning assistant. Whether it's cleaning the living room or tackling the kitchen, it listens and acts. It's like having your own personal cleaning butler, but instead of a monocle and a tuxedo, it's got lasers and a dustbin. But wait, there's more. This vacuum is equipped with the latest technology to make cleaning a breeze. The Shark AI Ultra also has something called Matrix Clean Navigation, which ensures it cleans every nook and cranny, which sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. But it's actually just a really fancy way of saying that this vacuum is really, really good at not bumping into things. It navigates your home with precision. It uses advanced sensors to avoid obstacles. It uses lasers and sensors to map out your home and create a cleaning path that's both efficient and effective. No more missed spots or random cleaning patterns. It's like having a tiny little architect living in your vacuum cleaner. But instead of designing buildings, it's designing the perfect cleaning route for your living room. Every inch of your floor gets the attention it deserves. And speaking of cleaning, this Shark is no slouch in the suction department either. It's got powerful suction that can handle everything from pet hair to crumbs. It's got powerful suction that can handle everything from pet hair to crumbs to those weird little dust bunnies that seem to multiply under your bed. Seriously, where do they even come from? It's like they have a life of their own. It's basically the Thanos of dirt and debris, snapping its fingers and making all the mess disappear. But the best part? The Shark AI Ultra also has a self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days worth of dirt and debris. That's right, 60 days. Imagine not having to worry about emptying the vacuum for 2 whole months. You could go on vacation, forget to unpack, go on another vacation, and this thing would still be like, yo, I got this cleaning thing handled. It's the ultimate in low-maintenance cleaning. It's basically the superhero sidekick of cleanliness, but instead of a cape, it has a supersized dustbin. And it's always ready to jump into action. Oh, and did I mention it's great for homes with pets? It's got a special pet hairbrush roll that's designed to pick up even the most stubborn pet hair. So if you're tired of finding your furry friend's fur on literally every surface of your home, this Shark is here to save the day and your sanity. No more endless sweeping and vacuuming. So there you have it, folks. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, the voice-activated, super-smart, pet hair-destroying cleaning machine of your dreams. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line robot vacuum that can do it all, this is definitely the one for you. It combines intelligence, power, and convenience in one sleek package. Now let's wrap things up and see which one of these cleaning champions comes out on top. Stay tuned for the final verdict. So there you have it, folks. 3 amazing robot vacuums, each with its own unique set of features and benefits. Which one is right for you? Well, that depends on your needs and your budget. If you're looking for the ultimate in convenience and automation, the iRobot Roomba Combo Wi-Fi Plus is a great option. If you're on a tighter budget but still want a powerful and efficient clean, the eufy Robot Vacuum 11S Max is a solid choice. And if you're looking for the smartest, most tech-savvy vacuum on the market, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is the way to go. No matter which vacuum you choose, one thing's for sure. You're going to love having a little robot helper that takes care of the cleaning for you. And the best robot vacuum of 2024 is the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus. It combines advanced features, ease of use, and exceptional cleaning performance. Don't miss out on this top pick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Check the links in the description to get your hands on these amazing robot vacuums. Happy cleaning!